Hey Says Travelers, today we're at Splish Splash on a Neon Lights day. The only 5 rides open. Neon lights are pretty cool. And let's check out those 5 rides that are open. Let's go. There's bubbles and there's smoke in them. The texture feels weird. Who's gonna win? It's so crowded, the lines are so long. It was bright out when we started the line,